This is a video to show how to replace the assembly guide media. This part occasionally breaks on these printers, and when it does, the printer is no longer able to detect media. So to replace it, remove your labels, remove your ribbon, open up the machine as per the machine in front of you. Make sure you orientate this device with the rollers behind, larger extrusion to the left, short extrusion to the right. We're going to be placing these parts, this part here and this part here, into the cutouts inside this machine, one on the left, one on the right. So let me do that first of all. Let's get that one in there, that one in there. There we go. Now that's in. First thing we're going to do is we're going to connect the left hand side into this hole. So we're going to put a bit of pressure on and lever that in and get that into there. So that's the left hand side connected. Now we pull the right hand one in onto there, and that's the part fitted.